In this Good School lecture, I'm going to go ahead and talk about how we can link integrate our YouTube channel with our Google Ad account and how we can create our audiences. This is what we're going to learn in this presentation. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm already in Google Ad account. That's really easy. We'll go to a new campaign. Inside a new campaign, we'll go with create a campaign without a goal. Then we have video. Inside the video, we have custom video campaign, non-skippable, outstream, drive conversions, ad sequence, shopping. We have different types of video campaigns we'll learn later. Now, as if now just learn one thing. Suppose I'll go with custom video campaign and I'll hit on continue. After I hit on continue, everything will be same. Like if I go about audience section, look at this. In the audience section, everything is same, just like the demographics, where you can select the age, parental status, household income, and your genders. This is what you can search in demographics. In the audiences, again, you have those options like browse. And if you'll go with who they are, it's all same. Parental, go with inside the parents, then you have options. Marital status, inside the marital status, you have the same option, just like the display ads, which we have talked about earlier, like education, then we have home ownership status, then we have employment, and so on. This is who they are. And then we have affinity, banking and finance, beauty, food, home and garden, lifestyles and hobbies, media, entertainment. And then we have news, shoppers, sports and fitness, technology, travel, vehicle and transportations, everything. Similarly, affinity, what does that mean? Which those audiences who have a long-term interest in these kind of features. Then we have remarketing and similar audiences. This is what we have learned about. And then we have your audience. We can create our custom audiences, like a combined. And then we have custom audiences. This is what we have learned. And then we have our keywords. Suppose if I entered a keyword called beauty, if anything which is relatable to beauty, they will automatically show my ad to them, right? How? Because first of all, again, in this also, the keywords are also going to be the broad match. They're open, not exact match, not the phrase match. They're open. They're like if there's something relatable to beauty, they will definitely going to see my ad. Suppose if they will see beauty classes or anything, beautiful makeup, if they search about beautiful makeup, then of course they're gonna see my ad again. Then similarly, we have topics. Topics also the same thing which we have learned earlier in the display ads. Then again, we have placements. Of course, where do you want to show your ads? All the placements areas you have. These are the video ads. So this is what we have learned about audiences. They are the same things. They are also, of course, there is something in Scratch, like something new about audiences, which I'll let you know once we'll start learning about, once we'll start creating our video ad. I'll let you know at that moment. As of now, I will not. As of now, just understand I think 90% is same audiences. The 10% I'll let you know once I'll create the campaign. Oh, all right. As of now, what is the second part? Integration. We'll go ahead and create a YouTube channel for us, and then we will integrate our YouTube channel with our Google Ad account. So let's create. I'll go with youtube.com, and then I'll go to Google test account, and then I'll say ad, not a person. Oh wait, Google, and then create a channel. I hit on this one, but I go for create a channel and then get started. Now it says your username, but I'll say go with custom name. What is my custom name? I'll say it's a dummy channel. I understand, and create it. And just wait for a couple of seconds. After a couple of seconds, I'll see a new page. A total new page which will show me a little bit of options. Upload a profile picture, I'll do that later. Everything, I'll do that later. So I'll say setup later. You can see this. Everything seems so good. But what I'll do, I'll come here at the very right side and I'll go to settings. just to check, is it is our account has been verified or not. Inside the privacy, everything seems set. All right, we'll go back, and I go to D, your channel. This is my channel. Now, again, I'll come back to my Google accounts and I'll come to Google Ads. I'll leave this page and I'll go to tools and settings. Inside the tools and settings, I'll go to linked accounts. And then you will see YouTube here. I'll say YouTube. The details one. Then I'll say add the channel. Now it's asking me the URL. Now what we'll do is we'll copy the channel. Copy it and we'll paste it right here. Let's see. It has been found us. And I'll say I own this channel and go to YouTube. Once I go to YouTube, where do you want to go for? Google test account or dummy channel? Of course, I'll say dummy channel. And that's my channel now. It's been linked. And for checking it, I'll again go to there and I'll refresh it. It should link my account. Look at this. It's been approved. Awaiting approval, but that's okay. We have linked it. There is one more way to check it. Is it linked or not? We'll again go to tools and settings. Inside the tools and settings, we'll go to audience manager. Inside the audience manager, I'll go to audience sources. Inside the audience sources, you can see this. Google Ad Text, Google Analytics GA4, and YouTube. Once it is done, once the awaiting approval is done, fixed, then it will show us right here. Else, if you don't see here, again, you can go to tools and settings and you can go to linked accounts to verify that. We'll go to YouTube, we'll go to details. Look at this. We are waiting for the permissions, but that's okay. We can see that later on that we have linked in. We have mentioned our request. We have requested our Google to approve our account to link our YouTube channel with that. But once that's done, we can go for it. So this is how you can link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. And if I'll talk about audiences, I have already told you that how you can, what kind of audiences will look like. Till then, I would say that's all for now. And in the next presentation, we will go ahead and create our first video ad. And yeah, I'll be waiting for that. I'm excited for this same. Till then, just try to link your dummy YouTube channel with your dummy website, dummy ad account. I would again suggest you, till then you are not practiced or till then you are not expertise, do not play with your real websites. All right. This was what my recommendations to you. And if you face any problem in approving this, do let me know. We will be there to help you out. All right. Till then, keep learning and I'll watch you in the next video.